Hi everyone, and welcome to EdTech Classroom. Today we are going to be talking about how to save time with Google Drive. I'll be presenting 3 different shortcuts that I think will be helpful, especially for teachers. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to share a really handy shortcut on how to create a new document. This is a really quick and easy way to create a new Google Doc, so I'll just type in docs.new into my address bar here, and you'll see now I have a new Google Doc. Next, we're going to look at how to force students to make a copy. Let's say that you have a Google Doc that you want to share with your students, but you want to force them to make a copy of this document. For example, let's say that you have a table like this one that you want your students to fill out. Now, if you were to share this document with them normally, you might have 20 or so kids all editing it at the same time, which you don't want. So instead, you can force each user to make a copy. So I'll go up here to the address bar, and where it says edit, I will delete that and I will type in the word copy. Now when I click enter, you'll see that anyone with this URL here will be forced to make a copy of this file. And when they click this button here that says make a copy, it'll be added to their Google Drive. So I'll just grab this URL here and I will send it to my students. And lastly, I'll show you how to do an advanced search of your drive. The Google Drive search bar feature works really well for the most part, but let's say you're looking for a very specific file that you're having trouble locating. For example, when I type in design thinking into this search bar right here, I have like 100 files that pop up, which isn't that helpful. So if you click this down arrow right here, you can do an advanced search and you can add in some specific details. So for example, I can type in, okay, I know that the title of my file has the term design thinking in it. And I know that the document I'm looking for, somewhere within it has the words playground project in it. So then I'll click the search button, and you'll see now I only have 4 results versus 100, which is a lot better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you found these Google Drive tips and tricks to be helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!